Welcome to the Xerox.net explanatory videos. Today we answer the question, what is the benefit of the digital nameplate? This is Anne. Anne is a service technician. Look how happy and relaxed she is. How is that? This is explained quickly. Come along and we'll take a look. Anne works in a company where the digital nameplate is already a reality. In addition to the mandatory technical information, the nameplate attached to the machine contains a QR code. A tablet has long been one of Anna's service tools. It gives her access to maintenance documents and machine information. But every now and then it has been very tedious to find the right instructions for the machine. Although Anne knows the machines well, the search for information always took a lot of time. And that stressed Anne out. Luckily, things are different now. The digital nameplate is here, and with it access to customized information suitable for the very specific machine. Anne scans the QR code and is taken to a website. There she finds information exactly matching the machine she is standing in front of. Now you understand why Anne is relaxed and doing well, don't you? The only thing that remains to be clarified is how the information gets onto the product pages. By someone in the company manually compiling this information, for example? No, no one has to go to that trouble. That's what our data services Xerox.net, DTS and IDS are for. They take care of the automatic compilation. Let's take a closer look. Scanning the QR code on the nameplate triggers a request to the Xerox.net IDS Content API. The product information marked by a unique identifier is displayed. At the same time, further queries run to find and display the related information units, such as circuit diagrams, documentation, certificates, and so on. Xerox.net IDS uses metadata described in the IIRDS standard. With this, we are realizing the compilation of all data relevant to your product, thus taking over the function of the asset administration shell. The process works exactly as the German Electrical and Electronic Manufacturers Association envisions it, and as it is regulated in the DIN EN standard 17071. You want to learn more and realize your digital nameplate with us? Get in touch with us now. We make your service staff as efficient and relaxed as Anne. Xerox.net. Turn your content into power.